A BBC interviewer has been accused of posing an anti-Brexit question to Prue Leith. The Bake Off star appeared on BBC Radio 4's Desert Island Discs programme, hosted by Lauren Laverne, in the run-up to Christmas. During her interview, she was asked about her decision to vote for the UK to leave the EU in 2016. Ms. Leith was asked whether she regretted her Brexit vote. This sparked an accusation of possible political bias in the tone of the question. Darren Grimes of GB News and Reasoned UK took to Twitter to criticise the BBC. He appeared to suggest a Remain voter would not be asked if they regretted their decision. He wrote, "The BBC asked Prue Leith during her Desert Island Discs appearance if she regrets her vote for Brexit. I'm looking forward to them asking a guest if they regret their vote for Remain." Mr. Grimes added, "I won't hold my breath." This was followed by calls on social media for the BBC to be defunded. Responding to the BBC's questioning, Ms. Leith said she did not regret her vote. But she added that she was disappointed by certain aspects of the UK's transition out of the EU. She said, "I haven't actually regretted it because I still think long-term it's a good thing, but I voted because I thought that we ought to be making our own decisions." And the only things that I have been disappointed by, and they are disappointing, is obviously I think we were not quick enough to realize just how difficult it would be to get staff. I think we should let people in if we need them in the trade. Ms. Leith also discussed the abuse she received on social media after it was revealed that she voted Leave in 2016. She told the BBC, "It is horrible. Being trolled is absolutely awful because you are so powerless. Everyone says this, but it's true. You cannot come back and argue your case. But I was advised, and I think correctly, to do nothing. Don't give it oxygen. All you'll do is reignite the people who hate you." The BBC has been approached for comment.